Stop struggling with boring videos. Do this instead. Use InvideoAI to create stunning network marketing content in minutes. First things first, keep it simple. With InvideoAI, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Choose a template, add your text, images, and voila! A professional video ready to wow your audience. Next, focus on your message. What problem are you solving? Highlight the benefits of your product or service clearly and concisely. Use engaging visuals, and keep your script short and sweet. And don't forget the call to action. Tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do next. Whether it's signing up, buying a product, or reaching out to you, make it clear and compelling. Finally, share your video everywhere. Social media, emails, your website. Get it out there. The more people see it, the better. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating eye-catching network marketing videos with InvideoAI and watch your business grow.